What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Daydreamers channel. And me and the homies are gonna react to police chase kind of things, whatever. And I would like to apologize ahead of time. My webcam decided to break down on me, so yeah, there's no webcam, so you can't see my lovely, beautiful, sexy face. But anyways, it's your boy Musi, and I'm gonna hand the mic over to LaawG, and he's gonna introduce himself. So yeah,
Yo, your beautiful face, see.
really sexy too, cuz.
What's up, guys? Yeah, here for another video. Take a seat, get some popcorn, and have a fine night. Yeah. Fuck, gee, make sure you cut that, boys. That was, yo, I had to say, boys, I don't know what the.
Editor, leave that in the video, cuz.
Yo, but thank you again, and enjoy yourself.
Where's Law said, get your popcorn and let's enjoy this video.
Fuck you. I knew that was coming, G. I knew that was coming, G.
Alright, accidents and police chases. Alright, you guys ready? We in there, boys.
That's what happens when you didn't have your sirens on, eh?
He was riding for just the lights, no sirens.
Yeah, no sirens. Look, now, boom. Because it looks like there's an emergency he's going to because he's speeding, eh? The cop.
Yeah, and did you hear me? What do you call that thing on your car? Like the police cars, they do the sound. He had time to hit that instead of the sirens. Fucking dumbass. Anyways, guys, do not be like this driver who's completely legally blind, and do not be like this police officer and run without a sirens on.
Yo.
Idiots. Nah, shit.
Wait.
Check this out. The black car makes it, and look at the police.
Oh no! Oh, see, look, that's how you know this cop has his sirens on, because that car's in the shoulder, G.
Facts.
Like, look, he's giving way for the cop, and then the cop has all that space,
but he can't use
decides to use the berm, and then he can't use his brakes. See, he can't use his brakes. So now he uses the poles to brake.
So yeah, this long stick right here, guys, is how he stops his car. Still doesn't work, so he needs a second one.
Oh.
He needed two to come to a full complete stop. What? He just fell off his bike.
What's happening?
I think that guy stole the bike and they're chasing him.
And who's this dude? This is probably his mate.
Oh good, get out of there, cuz. Get out of there, cuz. Now, you know he's not a bike rider. Number one, he doesn't have the right gear to ride a bike. And number two, he's too fat to ride a bike.
Nah, but watch it again, G. Watch it again. They swap bikes, G. Look at this. Look at the color of that bike that he fell off. And then look at this. See, look, he takes the other bike. And then look at his mate. And then look at his mate. Grabs the bike and walks away.
Yeah, this guy
and look at that. And look at the cop. He parks right in the middle and chases the guy and leaves his car, causing like congestion with the traffic. And look, maybe almost causing an accident.
But what's funny in my opinion is this guy. He can't ride a bike. Look at him. That bike is both of the bikes are definitely stolen by both of them. They're crime buddies. But
that's what I think.
This guy's just gonna walk away and sell that bike for $80.
Oh, what happened here?
Smash the window.
Who's driving your car?
Smash the window and get in.
There's no one in there.
I think he didn't. I think he forgot to use the handbrakes.
Oh, mate. Oh, this guy's going fast, dude. Whack! Oh!
Nice.
Ooh.
Nice.
Look at the driver.
Oh,
It's a lady.
Here with the driver who was just hit. And another person in the other car got out, and they seem to have that driver, the fleeing driver.
Who's that? Who's the one lying down?
It's the kid.
Why is she lying down?
Probably in pain. They just got hit.
Okay, guys.
Oh.
Here come the police.
Oh, it's for the insurance, see?
Probably, but I really do think the kid's in pain.
I was gonna see LaawG. What look like?
Do you wanna watch it again or not?
Yeah, what's it again?
Yo, watch it. We'll watch it where he comes
Oh
from.
nah. Look.
So watch him. He comes out.
Nah, he's actually hurt. I think he's actually hurt.
The other car got out, and they seem to have that
Ooh.
driver, the fleeing driver. They're holding on to him.
Maybe.
Let's watch what
Could
happens.
be.
We know police are not.
That kid doesn't know anything about insurance.
He would if his mom told him about it, or his dad.
What I actually think happened was probably the way he's holding his stomach is, you know how the car hit him and the seatbelt locks you in as the car yanks? So I think when the car yanked forward, it hurt his stomach.
And the driver,
Or maybe he never had his seatbelt on me. Just maybe.
That could be another one. Well, moral of the story, guys. Wear your fucking seatbelt. Would you rather have a sore stomach or a fucking dead body?
Cops gonna crash in. Boom. Ah.
And he called
I
it
just
too.
know it. I just knew it.
No, look at this. No sirens on. What's this? No lights, no
Wow.
sirens. What country is this? They're fucking dumbasses.
Wow. Whack. Oh.
It's not that car's fault, this one. Because he is coming from this direction. So he probably couldn't see the police was racing down that side of the road.
Oh, he couldn't hear the sirens. Oh.
There's another cop with no sirens and no lights and just speeds.
Oh.
Nah.
Oh. Oh, he got arrested, G.
Why are they trying to stop him?
Because he's recording and driving. Remember, they drive on the left side.
Oh, yeah.
Watch this, G. They're gonna see him holding the phone, and then he's gonna be like,
Go right on the back seat. Gee, right there.
look,
Fuck.
they see the.
Gee,
Oh,
look,
yo.
you can't park there, G. Like, you see that car right there?
Yo.
You
Nah,
cannot
that's on.
park
This
there,
one, eh?
G.
This one.
No,
This
go
one?
back. That car that's reversing the cop car.
Yeah, nah, that's what I mean, G. The cop.
I don't think he
Maybe.
reversed into the cop car. I think the cop car
Maybe.
ran into
Yeah,
him.
it was either,
Yeah.
it was one of the days. G.
Yeah, it's one of the days.
But look, G, when the cops see him recording, that's when they tell him to stop, G.
Попался парень, а нет, уезжает.
Idiot, yes.
Зажали.
Whack!
Ух ты, ё-моё!
Fuck, are these guys
Oh.
stupid?
Fuck.
He's right there. Pull up right behind him and block him in.
Oh. Look, G, they didn't even go in. Look, they stopped.
Idiots.
Oh, look, they didn't even go and check on the other cop.
This guy should be wearing a bra.
G.
I'm fast as fuck, boy.
Oh, man.
Too much Dunkin' Donuts there, cuz. Oh, nah, it's the conditions. The
Nah,
red light and icy roads. Plus, it's a
Nah.
massive truck.
That's how you know you shouldn't be. And look how fast he's going, G. Like, look at this. Watch it, G. Watch this, stocks. Look how fast he. Look, that's
Yo,
fast. G.
but like if you've ever driven a truck, you know that a truck takes like probably 3 to 5 seconds to stop when you hit the brakes. It's not like a car, when you hit it, it stops. Especially one that's
No.
like fully loaded. It like takes, if it's not fully loaded, it'll be like between 2-3 seconds. But if it's fully loaded, it's
no.
like 5 seconds. That's what I'm
my
saying.
point, G.
Maybe it
Like-
has the conditions, because it's icy, and how heavy he is, and the speed. When he
Yo,
hit the
see-
brakes, he couldn't stop at all. It just kept
That's why
sliding.
That's why he shouldn't have been speeding at all, G.
Nah, everything was right. The lights, the sirens. This guy wasn't paying attention. Dumbass. They're probably gonna fuck him. I was reading hop out the car. I was like, bro, are you fucking blind? Hey, you fucking get out the car. You're under arrest. Get the fuck on the ground.
I'm arresting you, G. I'm taking you home with me now. Yo, come in with me, mate. Yo, come in with me.
Elbow him like 5 times. Say, stop resisting. Stop resisting.
I'm an undercover police officer. Stop resisting.
Even though he's
I demand your respect and listen to me. I am the authorities.
Even though he's already handcuffed, he can't move. You're still hitting him.
You're still punching him. Wow.
Stop
And it's
resisting.
like money. And then that's when you get recorded and then end up on Facebook. Police brutality has happened yet again in the city of London.
Another black man. No, jokes.
I don't know.
Let's run that through before our channel gets banned.
Straight up. Oh,
Nice. Fits like a
That's what
glove.
happens. That's what happens when you don't check your blind spot. Whack. Fuck. Going too fast. You're dumb.
Whoever these countries are,
They didn't go up fuck.
there's no fucks given.
Oh, look. Police and fire engines.
Oh nah.
Move your truck. Move your bike, G. They're trying to get. Move your car, G. They're trying to get to the freaking fire.
Yo, nah. I wouldn't blame them. I wouldn't blame
No, G,
them.
I wouldn't either.
Yeah, I wouldn't blame them. I wouldn't
I
blame
wouldn't
them.
either, G.
Yeah, no, the cops blocked traffic. Blocked the fire truck.
Alright, G.
What was the cops gonna do? Show their badge to the flame and tell it to stop. Walk up into the room and the fire's coming at them. They pull out their badge. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Get on the ground. The fucking fire will melt that plastic badge. Dumbass. Fuck's sakes.
Fucking hell. They're gonna. Oh! That's the other angle, G. Wow. Oh!
What the fuck is the ambulance doing, bro? I'm not gonna lie, it takes 2 to make sure the roads are safe. Not only the emergency response people, like whether it be police, truck or fire, but the people as well. But at the same time, the ambulance drivers need to check if it's clear for them to just go. Don't just hit the sirens and turn like this guy did. Look at him, he just hits a siren and turn. There. Doesn't even check to see if it's safe. And this guy, as you can just see, he didn't have time to respond. Like, he tried to turn out the way, but still got hit. It takes 2 to make the road safe, not just 1.
No, and look at how sharp the ambulance turned. G.
Yo, that's what I'm saying. Like, he should have checked.
Like,
The first 2 lanes could see that he's turning, but the third lane couldn't. So that's why the accident
he should
happened.
have came out like slower, you see.
Yo, didn't. But I'm just looking at the color of the, let's say, the police cars and the ambulances. It looks like they come from like countries that don't have proper training. What do you think's gonna happen here? Nothing.
They're crashing you.
This is gonna let him go away. But what say if it was if this wasn't a police car and it was a black man
Oh,
driving?
bro, they're arrested.
No, I'm not being like whatever. But I'm just saying, what if this was like, let's say it's a Land Cruiser or a Toyota Corolla,
Deyz.
and a black man's driving. What do you think will happen when he hits this police car?
Deyz. Bro, what's up with Musi and the blackie?
I'm just saying, you know, like with all the things going on in this world, like,
Like, you could at least shit like, Gee, what will happen if this brown man or white man, like...
Okay, let's say what would happen if it's a
Well,
white
usually-
man then? What happened if it was a white man? Do you think he'll just get on like
Slap
oh,
on the wrist and
No.
slap on the wrist? Alright, cool. Okay, now that we got that, what happens if say if it's a black man this time instead of a white man?
yeah,
He's getting arrested, gee.
yeah.
Oh yeah, nah. I reckon he's gonna
Get on
get
the
shot.
ground.
I reckon he's
Get
just
on
gonna
the
get.
ground.
They're gonna hop out the
Jeez,
car, see a black man, and just shoot him. They're not- if it's a white man, they come up, license and registration. All right, did you know you hit my car? Yeah. All right, just keep an eye out next time, okay? Slap on the wrist, go home. But if it's a black man, fuck, he had a weapon on him. He was armed.
Not even lying, gee.
Oh yeah,
That
wait.
guy's dead.
Because this does look like America, so yeah. Who knows?
Going too fast, gee. Whack.
I honestly don't know who's the right of way, whether it's this lane
No,
or
but
that
look,
lane.
look, Scoop. No. Okay, if you wish it, I'll tell you, G. See, look at the cars on the right.
Yeah,
They parked on the right because they're trying to give way to the cop.
but the sirens and that's not on.
I don't know. Yeah, but just watch it from the beginning, G. Just watch it from the beginning and look at the cars move to look. They're on the right, stopping, and look, this car's still going and doesn't see the cop coming, and then man. So who's in the wrong?
Fuck, I have no idea, G, to be honest. Number one, cop, officer, whoever you are, turn your fucking lights on, mate, and your sirens. And number two, don't drive in snowy conditions. It could get dangerous. Yeah, words of advice from your boy Musi.
Stay home.
Stay home.
Save lives.
Yeah, stay home. Save lives. Be firewise.
Nah. Just be like these. Stay quiet. Stay out of mind.
Silence brings more violence.
Hey. Oh.
Police.
Jeez.
Wow. Oh,
Nice.
Oh.
Alright, now a little bit more to the left and throw it off the mountain. That's what I'll do if I was the old man. I'll be holding it. No, turn. Yeah, to back.
Throw it away.
Let it go now. Goodbye.
Oh.
Nah, that guy's an idiot. He's an idiot. He did it to himself.
Yo, you did actually. Bruh. What you up to? Oh, okay.
He burnt the police car. Why did you burn the police car for? The next time you get robbed, bitch, then call the police.
Whack. Good driving. Oh.
No. Police is right. Can you see him? He's not on the road. He's on the side.
Police chase?
Probably.
Yeah.
And he tries to get out the car and he gets sandwiched in. Yeah.
Police chase.
Nah, you're not going anywhere now because that's gotta hurt like a motherfucker. Wait, he can still make it?
Oh.
What a ninja!
He's gonna run.
Oh, fuck. Damn, that's gangster, G. Straight up.
Oh.
Director's like, cut, take two.
Oh, gee.
I'm not gonna lie, I actually thought it was something mean, like he's gonna do some like good stunts or whatever, like fucking turns. I don't know what you called him. Look at this. Play some intense music right now, and then. Fuck, that didn't go
Holy
as planned. That didn't go as planned. Take two. The camera zooms right in.
Wow. Oh.
Oh no! Oh, wow! Nah, someone definitely died there.
Wow.
Nah, someone died there. I guarantee you, someone has to die there.
Wow.
What's the police up to, bro?
Look.
Concentrate on your driving.
Oh.
Sana, calm down, officer. Nothing happened, bruh. It was an accident. Jeez. He just reversed and ran back into him. You can calm your fucking bitch ass down, bruh.
Nah, they both ran into each other, G.
Yeah, but they didn't hit. That's what I mean. Like, it didn't.
Nah, watch
collide.
it again. Watch it again. Watch this. They're both gonna move at the same time. Watch this. That's the first one.
Yeah,
Didn't
look.
hit.
No,
Yeah,
it
but
didn't
watch this.
hit.
Watch this. They're both gonna reverse and think, oh yeah, I'll get in. And then look, you see them? See it?
Yeah. Jeez.
So they both thought that the other driver was letting him go.
Go, yeah.
Yo,
Well,
but then that's why they both went neck mana, bam.
You know why he was rushing? Because he saw the McDonald's. He's going to get himself some fucking chicken nuggets
Yeah, and then get Krispy Kreme and get a donut.
and get a donut, and then shoot a black man on the way home from work.
Yeah, and his name's Deyz.
Fucking hell, bro.
That's why Deyz stayed silent
that
throughout this video. As every
That's
single
why.
black joke I was saying was directed to him, so he just wanted to
Yeah.
stay silent.
That's why he was quiet.
Yeah, because
And then,
you know, Deyz being a black man, you know, life's rough for
Yeah.
him.
That's hard.
Yeah,
Man.
You know,
that's hard.
me and Law, we can't understand that pain because, like, as you seen, we're white. Oh, you see my videos, I'm white, you know.
Oh,
but
yeah.
I can tell you, brother Law's white as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, but cameras lie sometimes. Like on my
I'm
camera,
not gonna lie, yeah. I am very white.
yeah, he's
Yeah.
white. He is.
Yes, I am.
He's bloody right.
I'm always right.
Anyways, no, none of us is white. Neither one of
Nah,
us is white.
nah, G. Nah,
Except
I'm
for
not
me.
white, bro. I'm not white.
Except for me, I'm white. Like, but the other videos, it doesn't show it. But yeah, believe me, it's the camera lens and angle makes it look like I'm darker.
Yeah,
than...
Musi's just as white as Deyz's bum.
And Law is just as scabby as Deyz's bum.
Oh, bro. What the heck? And Deyz is just as black as his black bum. Nah, but,
Oh,
G.
fuck, I hope we don't fucking get banned for this shit, G boys.
Straight
Who's
up.
taking the rap for this? Deyz again? Deyz said it.
Oh, yep.
Deyz said it.
Oh,
Deyz. Deyz said it. Deyz.
Thank you, Deyz.
Thank you very much, brother.
Thank you, Deyz.
Sure,
Thank
Deyz.
you.
You're the man, cuz. I've really
You're
got
the man, mate.
I've really got a strike,
He's a
G.
welcome, man.
I've really got a strike. Come on, bro.
Please.
There we have it, guys. Thanks for watching us react to police chase fails and the boys reacting to it. And I'll leave it to the boys to handle it. Yo.
Yeah, thank you guys. I'm just enjoying my my chocolate, and it's very nice. It was very good for this video.
Damn, are you fucking deep throating your mic again, cuz?
Nah, thank you guys. Best police chase, fails and crashes, accidents with police cars. Yeah, thank you for watching the video. Have a good time.
And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, the end of this magnificent video. And yeah, we had a good time watching it. I certainly did, especially learning about other countries that don't know how to fucking drive in the first place. But yeah, don't know what else to say other than, oh, second time apologizing, no face cam. My webcam played up today, so maybe next video, next recording, I'll have my face cam working. But yeah, see you guys.
Teach me about fucking style.